Mindfulness isn't just breathwork or apps. It's the art of coming back to yourself. In Buddhism, sati, mindfulness, is remembering the present moment. Because this moment is the only real thing. When you breathe mindfully, eat mindfully, speak mindfully, you're not performing a ritual, you are re-entering life. We live in a world of autopilot, notifications, tasks, numbing. But mindfulness says, come back, right here, right now. This is where truth lives. Mindfulness softens the heart, shows the nervous system, and makes space for clarity. So try this. Pause. Feel your breath. Feel your presence. In that moment, you're no longer lost. You're home.